the sheer amount of work that is out there. You know, we still haven't scratched the surface. You know, I look at my retail, and I've grown retail year on year about 35%, and I don't think I'm even at 1% of my catchment area in terms of retail.
It can be difficult in certain areas where there's a lot of competition in dealerships. Finding new dealerships can be hard, but what I've realised is the retail market is virtually untapped. I would say I could probably do 100k a year in retail without really, let's say, saturating it. And there's huge growth, and as we're seeing with EMAC and other, let's call it fleet and insurance work, that's doubled, I would say, for us in the last year. So dealerships is a little bit more challenging, but the other streams are definitely there for the growth.
Demand is huge, but competition is tough as well. So there's plenty of work. The objective, of course, is to grab up more market share. So yes, plenty of demand, retail demand.
108 dealers in the area, we've barely even scratched the surface. You know, our retail demand is high and we're continuing to grow. In that regard, you know, we're already on our third van and we're operating a wheel van across the area to support our current customers, and you know, we're continuing to prospect and sort of push for further growth, really.